How are you, bro?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you guys?
We're good. Thank you for joining us this evening to speak about this special event and
Yeah,
project.
yeah.
So, give us some more details on what's going to be happening this Friday, please.
This Friday we're doing an Instagram live. It's going to broadcast on Twitch. It's going to broadcast on Instagram, probably on my YouTube as well. Where we're trying to
Okay.
raise awareness and let people know about what I'm going in St. Vincent, how the people
Yeah,
are
yeah.
struggling, and
Mhm.
just put something together that we can potentially raise some finances, get some medical care, get some clothing,
Mhm.
food supplies, just whatever we can send, fresh goods, new goods, no perishable goods, just to help the people down there who have been displaced and so on.
Okay. And so we're going to be starting the live at 8 p.m.
Correct.
until 1 a.m. via Caribbean Party UK's Instagram live.
Correct.
From 9 p.m. till 12 a.m. Is that a different time zone?
No, that's going to be broadcasted on a radio station called No Signal.
There's no signal.
Yeah, so that's going to be
Okay
from
then.
9 p.m.
So,
to 11. It's broadcasted on No
Okay.
Signal.
Okay
so
then.
is that a UK-based radio station or is it just via
Yeah, it's the
internet?
same. It's the same online station that did the Vibes Cartel versus whatever clash.
Okay then.
Which
No
that's
problem.
yeah.
Okay.
Kala is on
And
that radio station, so we're syndicating.
okay,
Okay.
then
Okay.
that's
Cool.
great. Can you just let us know who will be providing entertainment on the day?
Anybody and everybody is welcome.
Okay,
As long as you
so
let me
they need to
know.
get in touch with you.
Yeah, just contact me. Let me know you're interested. I'll be there.
Mhm.
Kala will be there. Fats will be there. Lani will be there. Mix
Mhm.
Masters will be there. Grizzly will be there. Um, I'll go as far as to say Rick might be forwarding. I don't know if he's working, but yeah,
You know, I'm there in our place already. Upnlive.
yeah, it's just us. There's no like we just intended to do this by ourselves. So it's just gonna be me, Fats, Kalai, Spade, Hot Skull, T-Bone, just the regular CPUK guys. And
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, other people have reached out and said they wanna, they wanna show strength and show support. So
Right.
we're here for
And
it, man. We're here for it.
for those people
Who
who
want to
probably have
donate?
work and stuff on that day we cannot get to tune in on that day, can they have like a cash app or a PayPal detail where them can drop a £5 or a 10 or anything they
Or
have
bank
to donate?
information.
Yes, there's details, but it's on my phone and I'm on the phone with you now, so I wouldn't be
Oh,
able to give you.
well, we're showing the poster now at the moment on Facebook. So anybody who's tuned in on Facebook, you can see the information there, as
Yeah,
well as we have also shared it to our Instagram pages.
Yeah.
So
yeah,
just get in touch with Supernatural via Instagram or via email. Is that
yep,
correct?
that's correct. Any avenue you
Or
want to get in touch with me.
right.
And
And just support. And we're taking, as you rightly said, non-perishable items, clothing items, all that you can
Medical
think of that
supplies.
is medical supplies that are
Yep.
necessary at the
And baby
moment.
stuff. We need stuff for pregnant women. So we need well, they need diapers or Pampers. They need powdered milk. They need heavy emphasis on bottled water. There
Right,
needs to
yeah.
be a
right.
lot of bottled water because of the effects of the ash on the island and stuff. Water is undrinkable. They need
Right.
water filters, so Brita filter and stuff like that that can filter the water. Bandages, plasters. So as I said, medical supplies. Um, and more than anything, if you can't do anything or you can't help in any way, as in donate nothing, you ain't got no money, you ain't got nothing to donate, just share. Share.
Yeah.
Exactly,
Let
exactly.
people know that this is happening. Share the information. Share the post. Talk about it. Talk about it because we're not getting no major mainstream
Right.
media support. Maybe 10 minutes here or 5 minutes there. But we as a people need to discuss this way more than we're doing at the moment.
Definitely. And for those who are spiritual, pray for the people in St.
Exactly.
Vincent. I mean, keep them in your thoughts and your prayers,
Yeah.
because that in and of itself will go a very, very far way. Just the mere fact that we're thinking about them and
Exactly.
thinking about the situation and hoping that things will move from where it is into a positive light, that would be extremely appreciated.
Of
Yeah.
course.
Nitra, I know it's a short one, but thank you ever so much for chatting with us. As per usual, we are supporting the cause as well, and we will continue to spread the word about it and to get donations. We have people in the studio that already have items to give, so
Yeah.
we will link up and give you the
But
necessary. Yeah,
before you
sure.
go, I just want to give you guys a little bit of information because I think it's good to give you a little background of how
Yes.
actually huge this thing is. So
Okay.
number
Go
one,
ahead.
it's a volcano. It's an active volcano. Number two, that's a natural disaster. Number three, it will affect the entire Caribbean. So it won't just be St. Vincent. It will affect the neighboring islands as Martinique, Guadeloupe, Dominica. Depending on the wind flow, you will get ash as far as Mexico.
Yeah.
So if
Yeah,
you
that's
are
true.
at the present moment where the wind flows are, it's going past Barbados and out to the Atlantic. If the winds change, everyone in the Caribbean will be affected.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's one of those situations where it's not limited to, like, it's not like it's an over there thing and it doesn't affect anybody else. Think back to the Icelandic volcano.
When it
traffic,
flight, that's what I was going to
flights,
say.
boats. It affects if it goes up high in the atmosphere, it will block out the sun. So it will affect the weather patterns and so on and so forth. So this is a huge thing. So we want to put real emphasis on, if you can help. If you can donate. If you can just talk about it.
Right.
Just for information purpose, do anyone any loss of life so far, or any casualty during the
directly as a result of the volcano? We haven't got that information as yet, but so far no. So far we don't think so. But do you remember, like, at present, St. Vincent, say 30 to 50% of the island is now inhabitable. Like they've moved from the northern down to the southern tip, and those who are unable to fit on the southern tip are now being shipped over to neighboring islands. But there is complications with that because some of them need vaccines, and some of the cruise ships are not taking people without being vaccinated. So it's a bit of a catch-22. So right now we're just trying to help. We don't really know what the 100 is. We're not on the island. We're not there.
But we're doing what we need to do.
We're just trying to help. Yeah. So DJ Tate is a good person to get in touch with. He's actually from St. Vincent. He's a Vinci guy, and also Mr. Influential, which is also Flag Sound. They're doing some great works. We managed to fill up a whole container ship of food.
Yeah, I see today. Mad.
Yeah, I'm tired, but the man did a really good job. So there was about 5 different trucks that came through, and this is not a short-term thing. This is a lot of ongoing. You don't know when this is going to end. So we don't want it to be we donate now.
A one-hit wonder.
But that's all I wanted to say, man. So big up you guys for having me, and keep the strength.
And
thanks,
big up you
Nitro. Take care, and we'll be in touch. Yeah,
of course.
And
Respect.
What we have to respect the rest of the Caribbean island to really come together.
The support that they've been getting, definitely
in their home and their lifestyle.
Yeah.
In time of need. So
thank you, Nitro, for chatting with us. Take care of yourself, and we'll be in touch. No problem. All the best.